Welcome to MGL Information TV. Today we will learn what is MS Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software program that allows users to create, edit, and format spreadsheets, as well as perform calculations with numerical data. Spreadsheets are used to organize and analyze data, and can be used for a wide range of purposes, such as creating budgets, tracking inventory, and analyzing sales data. Excel has many features that make it a powerful tool for data management and analysis. Some of these features include the ability to create formulas and functions to perform calculations, the ability to sort and filter data, and the ability to create charts and graphs to visualize data. Excel also has tools for collaboration, such as the ability to share spreadsheets and work on them with other users in real time. Excel is available as part of the Microsoft Office suite of productivity tools, which includes other popular programs such as Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. It is available for Windows and Mac operating systems, and can also be accessed online through Office 365. Is MS Excel important in daily life? Microsoft Excel is a useful tool for organizing, analyzing, and presenting data, and it is used in a wide range of industries and professions. Here are some examples of how Excel might be used in daily life. Number 1. Personal finance. Excel can be used to create a budget, track expenses, and analyze spending patterns. Number 2. Business. Excel is widely used in business for tasks such as financial analysis, data management, and project management. Number 3. Education. Excel is often used in education for tasks such as grading and tracking student progress. Number 4. Healthcare. Excel can be used in healthcare for tasks such as tracking patient information and analyzing data from clinical trials. Number 5. Government. Excel is often used by government agencies for tasks such as tracking budget and expenditures, and analyzing data from various programs. In general, Excel is an important tool for anyone who needs to organize, analyze, and present data. Whether you are a student, a business owner, or a professional in any other field, learning how to use Excel can help you make more informed decisions and be more productive. Top 10 Secrets of MS Excel. Here are some tips and tricks for using Microsoft Excel more efficiently. 1. Keyboard shortcuts. Learning keyboard shortcuts can save a lot of time and make using Excel more efficient. Some common shortcuts include Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste, and Ctrl+Z to undo. 2. Function key shortcuts. In addition to Ctrl+ letter shortcuts, Excel also has function key shortcuts that can help you quickly access common tasks. For example, F2 allows you to edit a cell, and F9 calculates all open workbooks. 3. Use autofill. The autofill feature allows you to quickly fill cells with a series of values, such as dates or numbers. Simply select the cells you want to fill, type in the first value, and drag the autofill handle to extend the series. 4. Use filters. Filters allow you to quickly sort and filter data in your Excel sheets. To use filters, select the data you want to filter, click on the Data tab, and click on the Filter button. 5. Use pivot tables. Pivot tables allow you to quickly summarize and analyze large amounts of data. To create a pivot table, select the data you want to analyze, click on the Insert tab, and click on the Pivot Table button. 6. Use the if function. The if function allows you to create logical formulas that return different results based on whether a condition is true or false. For example, you can use the if function to calculate a grade based on a score. 7. Use the VLOOKUP function. The VLOOKUP function allows you to search for a value in a table and return a corresponding value from a different column. This can be useful for matching data from different sheets or sources. 8. Use the index and match functions. The index and match functions allow you to perform lookups more efficiently than VLOOKUP. Index returns a value from a specific cell in a range, and match finds the position of a value in a range. 9. Use conditional formatting. Conditional formatting allows you to highlight cells with a specific format based on the values in the cells. This can help you quickly identify trends or patterns in your data. 10. Use the text to columns feature. The text to columns feature allows you to split text in a cell into multiple columns. This can be useful for separating first and last names, or for separating data that is separated by a delimiter such as a comma. How can we earn money with MS Excel? There are several ways you can earn money using Microsoft Excel. 1. Offer Excel services as a freelancer. You can use your Excel skills to offer services such as data entry, data analysis, and spreadsheet creation to clients. You can find work through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or by reaching out to potential clients directly. 2. Sell Excel templates or courses. If you have expertise in a particular area of Excel, you can create templates or courses to sell to others. For example, you could create a budget template or a course on how to use pivot tables. 3. Use Excel to analyze data for businesses. Many businesses need help analyzing data, and you can use your Excel skills to offer this service. This might involve tasks such as creating dashboards, analyzing financial data, or identifying trends in data. 4. Offer Excel training or consulting. If you have a strong understanding of Excel, you could offer training or consulting services to help others learn how to use the program. This could involve one-on-one training, group training sessions, or online courses. 5. Use Excel to manage your own business. If you own a small business, you can use Excel to manage various aspects of your business, such as tracking expenses, analyzing sales data, and creating reports. To earn money with Excel, you will need to have a good understanding of the program and its features. You should be able to create and edit spreadsheets, use formulas and functions to perform calculations, and analyze and present data effectively. It can also be helpful to have a strong understanding of the industry or subject matter related to the work you are doing, as this can help you provide more valuable services to clients. Thank you for watching this video, and never forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. Thanks!